As well. We're very excited to be a part of this. It's kind of like a moment in history, I think, this weekend is. This is exceptional. Thank you for having us, first of all. This is amazing. Thank you. I'd also like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for not having this in August. 50% of you would be dead or passed out, and I would probably be passed out. So, as long as we understand that December, January works for us, then we're good. So, we're here to entertain you. Most of these songs, hopefully you know most of these songs. We know most of them. There's one or two songs that we don't know, but we'll figure it out as we do it, right? All right. Here we go. So this is the second song we ever put out. It's been a while since we put this out, but I think a lot of you guys are gonna know this song. Except I'm not sure if you were born yet. I don't know too. Some of you were like 7, some of you were 17, some of you were 27. But this song is about finally being ready to leave the place you were born and travel somewhere else and try something else. If you know it, feel free to sing along, all right? All right. This town is cold now. I think it's sick of us. Steady hands, just take the wheel. Stop and stand. This is the first time we played here, so thank you for being so welcoming. When we got into music, music is, it's the one language we all speak. It brings us together, so we're lucky to have this job. Music and mathematics, and I prefer music over math. So we've been a band for about 11 years or so, and we toured about the first 10 years non-stop, and then we've taken a world tour with it, and it's the best music we've done in years, so we're really excited. And so this will be the last concert for us with these songs in this order. We won't do this again probably. This is it, so thank you. This next song, I'm in One Republic, but I also write songs for a lot of different artists. Everybody from Paul McCartney to Ed Sheeran, and even the guy that's closing tonight, Mr. David Guetta. I've written songs with him as well. C'est magnifique. So this next song is a song that I wrote for an artist a while ago. I think some of you might recognize it. A lot of you probably don't know that I wrote it, but stranger things have happened. Okay, here we go. If you know this, feel free to sing along. If you have never heard this song before, I encourage you to download the internet. Remember those bars of pain? Baby, that's all that it ain't low. I got my angel now. Everyone, baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. Halo, halo, I can see your halo, halo, halo. I can see. Hope when you take that jump, you don't fear the fall. The only way you can know, you give it all you have. I did it on your road, got a 10 feet open ground. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. That ground. 10 feet off the ground. Shakaram, you guys have a wonderful night. Be good to each other, love each other. Be safe, stay together.
History together, and I'm so honored to be part of this. We're gonna put this place on fire tonight. Are you ready? If you're having fun, make some
I made no promises. I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything.
Like I said at the beginning, I'm very honored to be part of this event. I think you have a beautiful culture, and I think we always have to learn from each other. And today we are one. Another surprise for you. This is something that I've never played before in my entire life.